Hey everyone, welcome to All Auto Parts Group channel, your trusted partner for automotive solution. If you're an Audi owner, you've probably faced some of these common engine problems. But don't worry, I'm here to help you figure it out quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First up, oil leaks. These pesky issues are especially common in older Audi models and can lead to serious engine damage if ignored. Here's what you can do. Make sure to check under your car regularly for any signs of oil leaks. Found one? It's usually due to worn gaskets or seals. Replace these as needed and always maintain the correct oil level and quality, just like the manufacturer recommends. Moving on, let's talk about the timing chain tensioner. If your Audi has racked up higher mileage, you might be at risk for a tensioner failure. This can throw off your engine's timing and potentially cause a failure. Keep your ears peeled for any unusual rattling noises from the engine. Hear something? It's time to get that timing chain tensioner checked and likely replaced by a professional. Next, carbon buildup, a real thorn in the side for direct injection engines. This buildup on the intake valves can drag down your Audi's performance and fuel efficiency. My tip? Use fuel additives designed to clean the fuel system and consider getting your intake valves professionally cleaned periodically to keep things running smoothly. Coolant leaks are another headache. They can cause your engine to overheat and lead to significant damage. Make sure to check your coolant levels frequently and inspect all hoses and the radiator for any signs of leaks. Spot a leak, replace any damaged parts immediately, and keep your cooling system in top-notch condition. Lastly, we can't forget about the ignition coils and spark plugs. Faulty ones can cause engine misfires, which mean poor performance and lower fuel efficiency. Replace these components according to the recommended intervals, and if you're experiencing misfires, have your ignition system inspected pronto. Now, if you're looking for parts to fix these issues, All Auto Parts Group has got you covered. They offer a comprehensive inventory of high-quality used Audi parts. Plus, our expert team is always ready to help you find exactly what you need. So there you have it, folks. Tackle those common Audi engine problems head-on and keep your ride in prime condition. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out All Auto Parts Group website, Auto Parts World, or contact us today on +1 865 505 0345 for all your Audi needs. Catch you in the next video. Do like and subscribe All Auto Parts Group channel for more informative videos on your car needs.